American Pavement Maintenance offers an inventive pothole solution for your parking lot or street. We offer your place of business a quick pothole fix to allow your customers back on your parking lot in no time. Our process is to cut out your pothole, leaving a clean edge, then blowing out the hole for a good foundation to spray tack. The tack is a good glue base for the asphalt to seal in the new pothole, preparing the hole for the hot mix. We then pour a hot mix in, filling the hole completely to match the surrounding paved surface. Our process uses hot mix versus cold to ensure a good seal. Next, we tamp it down with our roller, sealing the pothole and ensuring that it does not allow water to seep into the newly sealed pothole. This process is quick and in most cases can be a fraction of the cost of traditional pothole fixes. We will also have you up and running the same day. Call us today at 816-966-1161 or visit us online at www.americancompanieskc.com.